Hello, and this is the start of another episode and the restoration of the Lotus 7. Okay, gas tank. I've previously shown, the problem that this was all ripped out, the mounting hole, and I made up a small filler piece, and now it's going to be tacked in place. And if you notice, the crack goes there. There's another crack. Just a little one happening on the other side. Don't know how well, so if it's wobbling. I was trying to do it one-handed and show. But I'll tack that in place and shape it and re-drill a new hole when it's done. The other side, let's put some light on it. And you can see the cracks on the other side. They need to get touched up. But that's where the next job is. And yes, it's a gas tank. And my plan to, we'll say, safely weld is, well, I've cleaned it all out. There's no residue, maybe a couple of vapors. And I'm going to take my exhaust fan setup. That's going to go in the neck here. This will be flipped right the other way. Sorry. That'll go in there, and that'll draw out air. Fresh air will go in. Let's see, in the top. That's the top back there, where the fuel level indicator is, and it'll continually circulate fresh air through it, taking out whatever vapors remain, and then I can weld it. So that's my plan of how I'm fixing this. Tank repairs are done. Cracks are welded. That helps a little bit. I go to the other side here. Still have to drill that hole out. Still have to drill the hole, but that's the bottom of the hole. All welded up, all filled in, and well, one more step done. It's time to start painting the gas tank. I've got it hung from the engine crane, which allows me to spin it around, raise and lower it a little bit. But it's about right to paint, and what you're hearing in the background is the exhaust fan on the sandblast cabinet, and it's doing a nice job. And I'm going to get to putting primer on it. First coat of primer on the gas tank. Just letting the fan spin down, and about an hour I'll put the second coat on. And just a little small side trip over here to the Elite. Something I've been forgetting to get done, and finally it's like, oh, I gotta do that because the East Coast Lotus meet is coming up here in the United States, and I want to take this. So this corner piece was getting loose. The bonds up here had let go. So cleaned everything up, used some more urethane adhesive, and just holding it down. And if you ever looked into the Elite tools, this is one of the tools for holding the trim on in place. I just happen to have a nice set of them that I got long ago, but just sectioned up with arms that you can put tension down on. And just in case it was to come loose, I've got enough padding here to keep it from tumbling down on the paint, which I've seen it do once early in the past, so when I painted the car. So the gas tank is finished painted, so came out very well. And I do have to probably get I'd like to see about getting a different studs for this. Ones that the threads aren't so much in trouble. I'm just having trouble identifying what thread that is. We're back from the East Coast Lotus meet today also, and they only had two classes, the new Lotuses and we'll say the classic Lotuses, and the Elite took second in the class, which was very nice, and I thank all those who voted for it. And the car, we did about 200 miles, I think, in 2 days, and did very well. Enjoyable drive.